Mysteries of the Ocean Giants, the Blue Whale's Legacy. Exploring the majestic world of Earth's largest inhabitants.
Dive into the enchanting world of blue whales, where mystery, majesty, and ecological harmony unfold. This book seeks to bring you closer to understanding these awe-inspiring creatures whose existence narrates an epic tale of survival, sustainability, and environmental stewardship. Learn why protecting these ocean giants is not only about saving a species, but preserving the ocean's balanced and wondrous ecosystem. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
The Majesty of the Blue Whale.
In the vast expanse of the ocean, the blue whale reigns supreme, a gentle giant navigating the deep blue waters with grace unmatched. We journey alongside these majestic creatures, whose very size defies imagination. Their long, streamlined bodies are a symphony of blue-grey tones, mottled with lighter patches that shimmer in the sunlight. As they glide effortlessly through ocean currents, we learn the secrets of their colossal presence. They're unraveling the enigma of their silent world beneath the waves.
Witness the sheer magnificence of the blue whale as it moves through its oceanic realm, a true marvel of nature's design.
What mysteries lie within the depths that inspire such awe in those who dare to behold?
Heartbeat of the Ocean.
In a breathtaking revelation, we discover an astonishing truth. The heart of a blue whale, as large as a small car, beats with a power felt miles away. This thundering pulse serves not only as a life force, but as a rhythmic overture to the ocean's whispers. Hidden deep within its massive frame, the heart is the vessel of vitality, echoing across the waters, bridging realms between the seen and the unseen, illuminating how life hums in accords of extraordinary resonance.
Feel the heartbeat of the blue whale, a majestic rhythm that connects the ocean's vast mysteries.
What is it like to harness the power of such a vital force within?
The Great Migration.
A timeless rhythm guides the blue whales as they embark on their grand migration, a journey across the world's oceans that spans thousands of miles. Driven by instilled instincts, they traverse from the icy realms of polar waters to the warm embrace of tropical seas, a migratory dance performed for centuries. This voyage, dictated by the cycles of feeding and breeding, illustrates the tenacity and survival instincts that define these explorers of the deep.
The blue whale engages in an epic migration showcasing its endurance and the unity of nature's cycle.
What stories do the stars tell to guide such long journeys beneath the waves?
The Krill Feast.
In the heart of the ocean's vast dining halls, the blue whale conducts its daily feast, consuming up to 4 tons of krill. This feeding ritual is an extraordinary ballet of filter feeding, where each gargantuan lunge into krill-filled waters showcases its adaptability and evolutionary prowess. Here, amid the ocean's bounty, we witness the ecological harmony maintained by this gentle giant, as its sustenance supports the delicate balance of marine life.
The blue whale's feeding behavior is a wondrous display of natural harmony, reinforcing the ocean's delicate ecosystem.
How does the interplay of life and sustenance create unending cycles within the seas?
Songs in the Deep.
The ocean is alive with the songs of the blue whale, a symphony of low-pitched sounds that carry across vast underwater distances. These vocalizations, both haunting and enchanting, form a mysterious language, bridging the silence of the deep with messages of connection. Each melody paints a tapestry of whale communication, revealing the social bonds and navigational cues that shape their existence in the dark, unfathomable depths.
Dive into the world of oceanic melody as the blue whale's calls echo through the depths, narrating ancient tales of the sea.
What do these sonorous songs tell of the ocean's ancient history and secrets?
Guardians of the blue world?
As sentinels of the ocean, blue whales hold a paramount role in their ecosystem, preserving the balance through relentless krill consumption. Their enormous presence ensures the equilibrium of marine food webs, with their feeding patterns shaping both the surface and the depths. This guardianship extends beyond simple consumption, symbolizing the interconnectedness and stewardship within the natural world, guardians whose legacy spans generations.
Explore the ecological impact and the leadership role of the blue whale as a protector of ocean harmony.
How does one life so immense balance and nurture the intricate tapestry of the ocean?
In the eyes of danger.
The survival saga of the blue whale reflects the fragility of our planet's ecosystems. Classified as endangered, these titans face threats from ship strikes, fishing gear entanglement, and climate change's wicked grasp. Yet, amidst these adversities, they endure, a testament to resilience. This storyboard unearths the urgent imperative for conservation, emphasizing humanity's role in safeguarding these oceanic wonders, who carry the legacy of eons.
The blue whale stands on the brink of peril, reminding us of the indelible bond between our worlds.
What can humanity learn from the struggles faced by these ocean giants in our shared environment?
Silent legends of the deep.
In tales whispered to the winds, blue whales epitomize strength, beauty, and the mysteries of the ocean. Their cultural imprint, layered with significance and reverence, spans time through art, literature, and research. As silent legends, they invite humanity to reflect on the ocean's timeless wonders, and to chart a course towards a future where these gentle giants remain a source of inspiration and awe for all generations.
As symbols of oceanic grandeur, blue whales channel a timeless connection between human culture and nature's vast legacy.
What stories will future generations tell of the blue whale's grace and enduring legacy?